more stuff over on that side, right there.
Well, I'm set up at the knife gig. Let me see how it goes. What do you sell? Fancy surfboards? I mean skateboards?
Skateboards.
Oh yeah. They have some fancy ones. There's a guy in the neighborhood where I live has got one with a motor on it.
Oh yeah? Nice.
He stands on it, got lights on it, goes all down the road.
Little triggers.
Yeah. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
He sells them too. I don't know what he gets for them or anything.
Right.
What are these, blocks for cutting?
Cutting boards, yes, right.
Mm-hmm. Spice bags?
Yeah, they're red cedar bags for like closets and.
Oh, I got you. Okay. Yeah.
I pick up my woods from cabinet shops and lumber mills and then bring them back to my place and build out of it.
You got some fancy cutting boards.
Thank you.
Where you from? Around here?
Yeah, my family's from Kentsville. Been there 6, 7 generations.
Look at this. We got a knife today, finally. A Gerber. So this is work knife. She's pretty nice. Okay, stand by. Check this Bowser out. 9 weeks old, huh?
Yeah.
What kind is it?
She's a miniature dachshund.
Oh yeah.
Also got
I might have to leave early. My patience is running out.
What'd you say? You have to babysit?
No, I said my patience is running out. My Muslim butcher shop called. They want me to come by and look at a star cutter. It's the cutter head that goes inside of a meat grinder. They want me to see if I can sharpen it for them. I went online a minute ago and looked at them. I know what they look like. Looks like it's going to be sharpenable, but I got to go see it in person. See how it looks before I jump on that little small taquito. But I think I'm bound that way pretty fast.
Gotta be careful out here too. Oops. Look at here, boys. $100 gold piece. No, I wish. Okay, it's a coin, and it said it was a coin. Go CTX, go. I gotta clean it up, but I just gotta clean it up and see what it is. Well, it looks like a Lincoln from the front. But on the back, it's got a big picture or a big monument. I gotta see what that is. I'm afraid to clean it too much. When I get older, losing my hair, 1964 memorial. I got all excited.
Well, we have a winner. Turd Dog, he made 3 or 4 guesses and he finally came up with the right amount. 2 or 3, I think 2 other people got the right amount too, but they came in this morning. So Turd Dog, I guess he wins by being the first one. I don't guess we have any ties in the YouTube. My friend, Mr. Turd Dog, you need to send me a message with your address, pertinent information, so I can get your gift coming in your direction. Thanks. I'll send you an inbox message as well. I got things in here I never even heard of in my whole life. Man. Me and Jack are going for a walk. It's a beautiful afternoon. A little after 4. Going over here on the bay, just for a walk. Hold on there, big boy. Well, we walked down almost to the tunnel. I don't think we're going in there for us. We're gonna go back now. Tide's high. Still got some breeze, make it rough to work if I was spinning, of course.